Hi, Donna from Webex Events here. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create and manage widgets in Webex Events Registration. Once created, you can share them with your website developers, partners, or anyone associated with the promotion of your event. Creating widgets within Webex Events saves time and effort when promoting an event on a website outside Webex Events, and you don't even need to know HTML coding to create them. You'll be amazed at how easy it really is. Widgets are a great way to drive registration by giving unregistered site visitors an idea of what to expect from an event. Embed a registration widget to let attendees access registration from an external website or email. There's a lot to take into consideration when creating widgets, so be sure to download the Using Embeddable Content Widgets for Registration job aid to help you prepare. In the navigation bar on the left side of the window, click Registration, then Promote. Select Widgets from the Promote submenu. Webex Events Registration widgets provide the HTML code for a button that takes an attendee to the Purchase Tickets page, and the HTML code to display the ticket selection portion of the registration page directly on a website. As settings change on the widget setup, the widget code changes. These widgets are independent of each other, meaning it's okay to use only the button widget or only the ticket widget on the external website. Change the button widget to match the event or external website theme. To select a new color, click the button color picker and choose using the color field, hex code, RGB, or by selecting from the default color swatches. To close the modal, click outside the picker. Use the same process to change the text color. Change the button text to match what was entered in the general settings or to match the external website terminology. When done, click the widget code area to copy the code, and then paste the code into the communication to the person in charge of the external website. Change the ticket widget to match the event or external website. Change the button text to match what was entered in the general settings or to match the external website terminology. If the event title, date, and location aren't needed for the external website, click to deselect Show Header. For example, if the external website already displays event information. When done, click the widget code area to copy the code, and then paste the code into the communication to the person in charge of the external website. Let's explore how UTM parameters can change the widget code. UTM parameters are added to the URL within the widget code that's being added to the external website. These UTM values let Webex Events track how the person found the registration. For example, if a widget is placed in a website hosted by an event sponsor called Sam's Paper Products, before providing the widget code to the sponsor, add UTM_source equals Sam's_paper to the end of the registration link URL in the widget code. Then, when running the attendee or orders reports located on the metrics page, all attendees or orders that registered through the sponsor site are tagged with Sam's_paper in the UTM_source column. Keep in mind that UTM must be activated on the Marketing Setup page. For more information on using UTM parameters in Webex Events, go to the Knowledge Base article titled UTM Parameters and Registration Page Tracking in Webex Events.